thought about in the beginning, like when Sohrab mentioned the fact that we're going to a gun range, I thought, yeah, I should show my work and show some funky images of my collections, which is the basis of my work, and also talk about my work. But last night I was Googling like I do usually, always, and I found this amazing text in some gun forums, and I would like to read you some texts of questions of people who are related to shooting or anything else. So I thought it would be like a maybe 5-minute introduction before you go to shoot, which is actually the most exciting thing like today. I just bought my first gun about a month ago, and I have gone to the range about 5 times now. Yesterday, on my 5th time, something seemingly horrific happened. As usual this time of year and regular for my trips to the range over the last month, I got the usual allergies while there. I used my left pinky to rub my left eye a few times before I was the one that became more irritated. I was waiting for the last ceasefire and noticed that my eye has becoming more and more irritated than normal. It was more red and was watering more than I can ever remember. While I have seasonal allergies, I haven't known myself to be allergic to anything in particular. When I got in the car, I could see in the mirror that something clear and thick was settling at the bottom of my eye. At this point I started to get a little worried. My eye was getting increasingly 24-day laterish, red and watery. I got home and looked at the mirror. The whole whites of my eyes were becoming severely inflamed, while the iris of my eye, the part around the pupil, was still where it originally was and looked recessed by about 8. I sped over to the clinic and the doctor said I was having an allergic reaction to the gunpowder I was using at the range. They gave me a shot of Benadryl, some ice drop, and had me hold on an ice pack.
This is the revolver, the Smith & Wesson, as I told you, the Model 686. It's a revolver, it's not a pistol. With a pistol you had a magazine and the trigger was really light to pull. With a revolver you have a cylinder and the trigger is real heavy to pull and it's a long way to pull back. So the possibility is big that you'll be pulling the gun away. What you're gonna do now, before every shot, you're gonna cock the hammer. And if you cock the hammer, look at the trigger, it goes behind and stays there. So it's real sensitive now. So all you do is you aim, you cock it, pull trigger. Cock it, pull trigger. Cock it again.
This is a .44 Magnum, the most powerful handgun in the world. And it could blow your head clean off. Do you feel lucky?